हेलो 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 एवरीवन। ध्यान से सुनिए। गाड़ी संख्या 2025-26 की सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन अभी फ़िलहाल 45 मिनट देरी से चल रही है, यानी कि 45 डेज अभी फ़िलहाल बाकी है, सिर्फ 45 डेज। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गो थ्रू द एक्चुअल प्लान व्हाट वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर योर अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. Okay, so this is the tagline, one last dance. That means we ain't done yet. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, right? So let's go step by step. Let's say tomorrow onwards, 3rd of Jan, that is 2026. Maths, you have to pick one chapter. I have taken for your betterment circle, science life processes, SST resource and development, English reader for you from your NCERT, that is chapter 1 to 3. And language, at least you have to pick one sample paper and just do 30 marks from that sample paper. There is no need to do full. Why? Because I'm telling, because after doing English, SSC, science, maths, maybe you don't have sufficient time for language subject. Clear? And the remaining 50 marks, because already you have completed 30 marks, right? The remaining 50 marks you can complete in the next part of the language task. Clear? Of the same sample paper. I hope you understood the strategy, right? Okay, let's go for another day, that is 4th of Jan. You have to pick maths, that is area related to circle, and for science, control coordination, and for SSC forest and wildlife resource, English again reader, that is from your NCERT chapter 4, 7, 8, I guess 5th and 6th has been reduced. And for that day there is no language task, because so that you can cover up the remaining things. And if you go for 5th, same pattern you need to follow for different topics, and there is no English task. Why? Because in the earlier time we have discussed about language has been skipped out, and that part has to be covered in the next segment. I hope you understood the plan. Okay, so that's all about the strategy. Let me show you. Right, it's all about 30 fast, right? Because I have left the boxes for your backup, which you have already skipped part of any day's task due to schoolwork or anything, right? Clear? So in those boxes, why basically we have extra time to cover up if anything has been skipped on any random day, right? I hope you understood the strategy. Just go for it.